जंतर मंतर पर जो हमारा धरना चल रहा है वो जारी रहेगा जब तक धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा नहीं देते। हम बहुत खुश है, वी आर वेरी रिलीव्ड। सोनम सर ने अपनी हंगर स्ट्राइक तोड़ दी है क्योंकि 26 से ज़्यादा दिन हो चुके थे। उनकी जान जो इस देश के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कीमती है और हमारा जो प्रदर्शन है वो चलता रहेगा जब तक धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा नहीं। मीटिंग जो होगी वो एक न्यूट्रल प्लेस पर होगी, न्यूट्रल वेन्यू पर होगी और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान के इस्तीफे के नीचे कुछ भी मंजूर नहीं है।
Strategy remains the same. Government has agreed to meet us at a neutral place. We will be putting our demands, which we have been consistent with from the first day. The 4 demands. First is Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Second is compensation for the families. And the 2 other demands which came after the 20th March. One is that all the FIRs on innocent protesters should be gone. And of course, fourth, that the police officials who actually were involved in that brutal crackdown should be prosecuted.
PM Modi just tweeted in the morning. He also tweeted, and now he also tweeted and said that will come with a new bill, and it will be discussed in the cabinet tomorrow morning for the harsh punishment and the fast track bill. So, how do you see this kind of a tweet via PM Modi?
I think it's a band-aid on a festering wound. If the law is only about the fast track courts, we have multiple fast track courts. Nothing has come out of it, right? We also released a demand charter, जिसमें हमने स्पेसिफिकली ये बोला था कि आपने नीट 2024 के बाद भी एक लॉ लाए थे आप, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ अनफेयर मीन्स एक्ट 2024, उसमें एक भी कन्विक्शन नहीं हुआ। एंड इनफैक्ट वेरी गुड टाइमिंग बिकॉज आज ही यूजी 2024 में जो कॉन्विक्ट थे उनका भी आ गया सीबीआई चार्जशीट का कि देयर इज नॉट इनफ एविडेंस, राइट? सो आई डोंट थिंक सो। द पॉइंट इज कि वो लीक होने के बाद आप कितना पनिश कर रहे हो कोई भी छोटे मोटे आदमी को जो उसमें लिंक्ड है, राइट? Our focus is on prevention. One is that prevention of paper leaks needs to happen. Second, accountability has to come in the system. Papers are getting leaked because one, incompetent people are heading the ministry, heading the departments. That needs to be changed. And second, there has to be a mechanism. You can't just say that once it is leaked, we will do fast track course, this and that. No. In our charter as well, we've given detail. Student also needs to be given rights. अभी leak हो गया, उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स का भी तो कंपनसेशन होना चाहिए ना, कुछ उनके भी तो कुछ राइट होने चाहिए।
Ready to discuss all your issues. PM is ready to come with a bill which he will discuss in the cabinet also. So you are guys are fighting continuously now.
We're fighting for accountability, which comes with the resignation of the education minister, under whose tenure, please tell me how many exams have been leaked, right? So that is the first one. Second step is trying to rebuild the system. That is where Prime Minister has to come, and only fast track courts cannot do it. The reform has to be major. It's just, you can't put a band-aid on a festering wound.